Hello, and welcome to the HouseRater software training series. In this video, you will be learning how to set up a single-family QA inspection by adding a program, adding a checklist, and setting up an inspection to sync with your mobile device. For this training, we are going to assume that this rating was not originally performed using HouseRater, in which case, the first thing we will have to do is create the project. If you do not know how to create a project within HouseRater, please watch our training video on creating projects available on YouTube. Once our project is created, the first thing we'll do is scroll down to the Program section and click the plus icon. Now we can add a program or programs to our project. In our example, we will be adding a HERS QA and an Energy Star Single Family QA program. First, we will add our HERS program, which you will see populate below. Then, we can go back and also add our Energy Star Single Family QA program. Once we add this program, you will notice the Energy Star Single Family New Construction Checklist will also appear in the Checklist section. Checklists are linked to programs, so anytime you create a custom checklist, you can assign specific programs to that checklist. Then when you add your program to a project, your checklist will automatically be added as well. If your checklist is not populating, you may have forgotten to assign the checklist to the program, or you have added the wrong program to this project. In our example, we have added the correct programs with the correct checklist, so we can proceed as though we are going to set up our field QA inspection. To do this, we will scroll up to where we see Site Inspections and proceed to click on the plus icon to the right of the inspection segment. Once you click the plus icon, a new window will appear allowing you to select and add a site inspection template. In our example, we will be selecting the HERS Final Inspection Field QA template that we have previously created. Once selected, we can click Create. This will automatically take us to the new inspection we have just created. Our next step is to schedule this inspection, which is what allows us to sync the inspection to our mobile device. To do this, we will change our inspection status from pending to confirmed. Then we will set our inspection date. Finally, we will assign our inspector. Once completed, we can hit Save. Now, when we sync our iPad, this inspection will sync to our device along with the checklist we have added with this program. Congratulations! You've successfully completed our lesson and can now add a program, add a checklist, and set up an inspection that will be available to sync with your mobile device. Thank you for choosing HouseRater.